pour baking soda on your bed, and see what happens. We routinely strip our beds and remake them to ensure the sheets are nice and fresh when we climb into bed at night. But how often do you think to clean the mattress underneath? Freshening up your mattress is important to remove the odors and dust mites that may be interfering with a good night's sleep. And we've got just the tip on how to clean your mattress naturally. First, remove all the bedding. Then, pour baking soda into a strainer and sprinkle the entire mattress. The baking soda will eliminate odors by drawing out dirt and moisture. Let it sit for an hour to an hour and a half. Next, remake the bed with a clean mattress pad, sheets and bed skirt. Leave the baking soda underneath the fresh sheets. When it's time to wash them again, strip the bed and vacuum up the baking soda, along with all of the dust and dirt that has accumulated in the meantime. Have something to say? Let us know by commenting below. Thanks for watching. Please like and share with your friends and families.